Hi, welcome to 101 Myrtle Street in Medford, a luxury renovated townhouse that I can't wait to show you around. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate, standing in this beautifully updated kitchen. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage with a balcony overlooking a private enclave here in Medford, Massachusetts. We're on the 2nd floor in the primary bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom, oversized closet. Additionally, on this floor, we have another bedroom, full bathroom, and we're going to show you the finished 3rd floor. Look at this 3rd floor with all this space. In the lower level, we have a 2-car garage and a mudroom. Thank you so much for touring 101 Myrtle Street here in Medford, Mass. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate. Please feel free to reach out to me about this home or any other home on the market.